Haha, you're trapped now. Oh, you will not pull the lever. Oh no, it's an earthquake. Ah, oh no, it's an earthquake. Oh no, it's an earthquake. A brick is falling in the lever. Yeah. Help me, there's a zombie. Yeah. Oh, guys, into my territory. Into my territory. Yeah. Haha, you're dead. I will just shoot you. Help me, there's a zombie. Help me, there's a zombie. I feel dizzy. Follow the news. This is a zombie apocalypse happening in the west of North Carolina. There is an apocalypse and an earthquake. Oh, hello there. Yeah, there's a zombie. Please help. Yeah, I got bitten. What the? I will get my balls. Oh my god. Help me, there's a zombie. There's a zombie. Yeah. There's a zombie. No, let's get past this. Right away, cause more zombies. Oh no. We're turning into zombies. Help emergency, we need help. Ah, there are earthquakes and the apocalypse here. Oh no! I will drive into the skies. Let's save the world! Hurry! Change our system. Yeah. No, where's the heart start shaking again? Oh no. No, please help me. No, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, please someone help me. My house is getting in an earthquake. Please, everything is tumbling. What did I do? I broke my back. Oh, I cannot make it out. Oh no! No, 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 no! My house! My house got destroyed. Oh no! Why are the earthquakes so extreme? Oh no! My lovely home is destroyed. Where am I gonna live now? Oh no! Oh my god! Why is that look so extreme? Oh no! Oh, everything is getting destroyed.